Today we'll learn about the group bubbles exploration. The Info tab contains quick lesson plan ideas for the teacher to use. The Settings tab contains content packs that also have categories that will show up on the screen. We will do shapes today. The categories can have up to 10 objects per category. When I hit play, the categories I selected will show up on the screen, and I will be sorting today by circles, squares, and triangles. If I put circles into a bubble, that bubble becomes a circle bubble, and that's all that it will accept. If I try to put a square into that bubble, it will bounce out. So now the children will just sort by the various shapes, and I can have squares happening in two different bubbles, but what if I want to then join those together? Because they're the same object, those bubbles will join together. If I try to put circle and square together, those bubbles won't join, they'll kind of bounce around together. So you can create more bubbles and then sort at will. When play is done, you swipe down from the bottom, go back to the main menu, and swipe down to close.